How does two-shot molding work? Two-shot injection molding, also known as multi-shot injection molding or two-color injection molding, is a manufacturing process in which two different materials are injection molded into a single part in a single process. In this process, two separate injection molding machines or two separate injection units on the same injection molding machine are used to inject the two different materials into the mold. The process begins with the creation of a mold, which is typically made of steel. The injection mold consists of two halves that are held together by a clamping unit. The mold is designed to create the desired shape and features of the finished product, including any cavities or features that will be filled with the second material. Once the mold is prepared, heat the two materials to a molten state and inject them into the injection mold. The first material is injected into the mold using the first injection unit. The multiple materials are melted and pressurized before being injected into the mold. The mold is then closed and the material is allowed to cool and solidify. Once the first material has cooled and solidified, the material is injected into the mold using the second injection unit. The second material is carefully timed and sequenced to ensure that it bonds properly with the first material and creates a seamless, finished product. After the second material has been injected, the mold is opened and the finished product is removed. The product is then typically trimmed or finished to remove any excess material or flash. Conclusion: overall, the double-shot injection molding process is a complex and precise two-shot process that requires careful timing and control to ensure that the two materials bond together properly shortly and form a high-quality, finished product. It is a valuable manufacturing technique that allows manufacturers to create complex, multi-material products in a single process, and it has a wide range of applications across a variety of industries.